Hey everyone, a lot of teams still feel stuck managing legacy document generation tools in Salesforce. You're probably dealing with rising licensing costs, admin complexity, and platforms that just haven't kept up with the modern Salesforce experience. That's why companies are moving to MergeUp's document generation. You still get the flexible enterprise-grade document generation capabilities you'd expect from traditional platforms, but it's a solution that's simpler, faster, and far more cost-effective. MergeUp is built, natively in Lightning, includes AI-powered template creation. We have a guided setup wizard, and it's a much cleaner admin experience overall. So teams can reduce implementation time. They can cut maintenance overhead. They can save thousands of dollars. I've seen personally people save thousands of dollars. So if you're evaluating how to modernize your Salesforce document generation stack, let's connect and I can show you what switching to MergeUp could look like. Thanks.